Welcome everyone. Today we are diving into how artificial intelligence is reshaping the landscape of social science research. We'll look at tools, real world applications, opportunities, and the ethical implications using AI in the field of social science research. So, starting from the first slide, which is why AI is required in social sciences. As we all know that there are explosion of digital data from online behavior, there are challenges in manual coding of large data sets, and there is a need for faster and more reliable analysis. There is an increased interdisciplinary researches which are coming up, and like AI and sociology, AI and politics, etc. So that is the reason that there is a need for AI tools for social science research also. Traditionally, social science research relied heavily on manual coding, surveys, and human interpretation. But the sheer volume of data now available, be it social media, open government data, online forums, makes it nearly impossible to analyze the data manually. Artificial intelligence allows us to process this data faster and uncover trends that might not be immediately visible. If we talk about the key AI capabilities for social scientists, we have natural language processing, we have machine learning, computer vision, and generative AI. So, talking about these four capabilities, they form the backbone of AI application in the social science. Natural language processing. This allows us to mine text. Machine learning can build predictive models. Computer vision can analyze visual data like protest videos or facial expressions. In interviews, and generative AI tools can simulate social science scenarios or assist with writing. So they are very helpful for social scientists. And whether we talk about qualitative research or a quantitative research, AI tools are very helpful. So talking about qualitative research, mostly what we do is theme identification in transcripts, auto transcription, emotion or sentiment tracking, and AI supported coding software. So all these can be we can do with the help of AI tools. AI doesn't just work with numbers. In qualitative research, we have tools like NVO and Atlas.ti. It is used to assist with theme identification and auto coding of large text files. Voice to text tools like Otter.ai help convert interviews into written form almost instantly, making analysis quicker and more accessible. Now, next is AI tools in quantitative research. So mainly in quantitative research, we try to understand the pattern in survey data, or we do predictive modeling. And now with the help of AI, we can have AI-assisted hypothesis testing. And there are many tools like Orange, Spaces Modeler, Excel, and plus ML machine learning plugins. So quantitative researchers can benefit from artificial intelligence by using machine learning to test multiple hypotheses at scale or to segment population based on their behavior. For example, clustering techniques might uncover hidden subgroups in voter behavior. These insights go beyond what traditional statistics can often reveal. So these things help in both like qualitative as well as quantitative research. Generative AI is becoming very popular now. So generative AI is actually helping a lot in research. We have text generation for proposals or summaries. We need proposal or summary, and we very easily get generate text for that. Code writing for data analysis. If we want to do simulation for scenario, we can do it with the help of generative AI. And there are many tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Elicit, and DAL-E. Generative AI tools like ChatGPT are becoming very popular nowadays. Like every day we are using ChatGPT for one or the other thing, and it's not like the professionals, but the students, the teachers, and like even school students, class four students have started using ChatGPT. So they can help draft for researcher. They can help you to draft your survey questions, write part of your literature review, or generate simulated responses for a training model. However, human oversight is very essential for this generative AI to ensure that quality is maintained and hallucination is avoided. So ethics and limitations both are very there in AI. because there can be bias in training data. We need consent of the people whose data we are sharing or using. Surveillance concerns are there. Over reliance on black box model. We generally over rely on this because earlier we used to do everything manually, but like we know that it is available there, so we'll use it as it is. Risk, and there is a risk of replacing human context. So that is a limitation of this. And ethical issues are also involved here. So AI is powerful but not perfect. Social scientists must be cautious about the algorithmic bias. For instance, if a model is trained on data that exclude like marginalized communities, and in that case the output will be skewed. So we should be very cautious about this. Moreover, ethical approval and participant consent is very important. So when we are using digital data, this is a very like huge concern, and we should take care of that. Emerging trend. In emerging trend, we have explainable AI, multimodal data analysis, no-code AI tools, and AI in participatory action research. AI is evolving rapidly. Explainable AI allows researchers to understand why a model gives a particular output. Essentially, in policy-related research, multimodal AI, which combines text, image, video data, opens new frontier for the research, like ethnographic research or media research. And user-friendly no-code AI tools will actually help the social scientists, because earlier we believe that the coding is mainly for the like engineers or like the person who's very familiar with the numbers. So AI in participatory action research, and this is very helpful for the social science researchers. Recommended tools are, like in case of literature review, you can use Elicit, Research Rapid, ChatGPT. For data collection, we have Qualtrics, Google Forms, Google Kobo Toolbox, externals with NVIDIA, Max Studio, One Tools. For data modeling, Orange, Weka, Python, and visualization, Flourish, Tableau, Power BI. So depending on your objective, your need, you can use any of these tools for your research. So in conclusion, what we can say that AI enhances productivity and insights. And it must complement and not replace rigorous methods which are already available, and they are there and they are tested. So we should not replace those methods, but these AI tools will complement these methods. So the previous method or the traditional methods will remain there, and be cautious of ethical pitfalls. And the last is future is human plus AI collaboration. So if the human will collaborate with AI, definitely the result will be very good. So thank you so much.